To find the slope of the equation that goes through these 2 points, we're going to use our slope formula. Our slope formula is slope equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, or the change in y over the change in x. And we're also going to use our standard formula, which is y equals mx plus b. So the first thing we'll do is we'll find the slope here. So let's see, I've got x1 and x2, and I've got, x2 and y2. So let's do y2, which is 6, minus y1, which is 5, divided by x2, which is -1, minus 3. 6 minus 5 is 1. -1 minus 3 is -4. Our slope is equal to -1/4. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to plug this slope in here for m. So I've got y equals -1/4 x plus b. Now that I've got that equation, I can get rid of my slope stuff and plug in so that I can solve. To solve, I'm going to pick a point, and I'll pick 3, 5. So I'm going to plug 3 in for x and 5 in for y. So I've got 5 is equal to -1/4 times, we plugged in a 3, and let me get rid of this line, and we'll put plus b. So now the only variable I have to solve for is this b. So I've got 5 is equal to 3 times 1/4 is 3/4 plus b. If I have a -3/4, the inverse of that, I'm going to add 3/4 to both sides, add 3/4 to both sides, a -3/4 plus 3/4 is going to cancel out, so my b is going to be equal to 5 and 3/4. So now if I look here, I solved for my m by using that formula, I solved for my b by plugging in and solving. Now I've got my answer. My answer is going to be y equals -1/4 times x plus 5 and 3/4. So as long as I step through it and I use my y equals mx plus b formula, I can find the slope. And once I have the slope, I have 2 points, so I can plug those points in and I can find b.